Looking for a Mustang convertible? Take a look at this 1965 Ford Mustang convertible. Now this particular car is a C code car in the VIN, so it does have a 289 underneath the hood. That's actually paired with a 3-speed manual transmission, shifter on the floor, and that is the way that this car would have came from Ford in 1965. Has had a repaint along the way. It is now vintage burgundy. This car would have actually originally been a champagne beige with an I paint code. Now if you want to check out the still pictures so you can see the underside of this car, interior engine bay, check out that data plate that I'm talking about. Check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right to the website and the pictures. Feel free to call us too, 507-386-1726. As you can see, chrome is in nice shape on this car. Paint I would definitely call nice driver quality paint. I don't know if I can get it to show up, but I tried to take a few pictures. There was one little tiny, there you can kind of see it, one little ding that was up there. The top on this one is white in color. It's a newer top. It is vinyl. Nice shape. There was one little tiny spot. When I'm talking tiny, I'm being quite fussy, and you'll see that in the still pictures where I pointed it out. But you're going to be able to put the top up. It's going to keep it dry. There's no problems there. Just like to show little wear spots or an imperfection if there is one here and there. But nice driver quality car. Interior, the vinyl, the carpeting, all in nice shape. Seat belts in this car. It is a manual top, very easily put up and down by one person. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist you with getting this car to where you're located at, and it may be eligible for an extended service contract. So feel free to consult with your sales associate when you email or call in. Again, rear of the car, you can see the bright work. Bezels around the rear lights, just a very tiny little bit of pitting on them. Otherwise, nice shape. Be a car that you take to any of your local cruise-in roll-ins or any of your local shows. Very showable car. As you can see, white walls with wheel covers, tri-bar spinners, and there were a couple extra wheel covers that I'll put back in the trunk. I just got them out for when I pictured it up. And again, you can see pictures of the trunk, those wheel covers, the underside of this car, engine bay, all those still pictures. uniqueclassiccars.com. Again, down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website and the pictures. 507-386-1726 is the phone number you can reach us at. Would have originally had the black vinyl interior in it, so that is the way it came from Ford. It would have been the standard vinyl interior. Of course, bucket seats, and again, you can see interior is in very nice shape. Seat belts front and back. Now, when I started this up a bit ago, played around with it, radio does work. Wipers do work. Remote rear view, or I should say remote rear mirror on the door side there. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can hear it run. Fuel gauge does work also. Nice riding car, no crazy cam, exhaust, anything like that. Just looking for a nice summer cruiser you can put the top down on. Here you go. So nicely the door closes, slip around back. Pretty much what you'd expect out of a smooth running 289. I'm going to slip up to the front. I'm going to pause this 1 second. I want to pop the hood, let you check out the engine bay, see how that looks. Alright, there's that 289 V8. Nice and clean and tidy under the hood here. And like I said, pretty much stock. What you'd expect. Doesn't look like any huge modifications, anything like that. Just a nice smooth running Ford 289 V8. Remember, that is paired with a 3-speed manual transmission. That's the way this car would have came from Ford. Now painted in vintage burgundy. Nice little convertible. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video In the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right there. And of course, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist you in getting this car to where you're located at. And it may be eligible for an extended service contract. Consult with your sales associate when you email or call.